wonder how this night will be. The apple does not fall from the tree. She said I almost died a week ago. I lost my will, I thought I'd let you know. Countryside, the water so I wait up here, I just let it know. I wait along the corridor, some would say they've seen me here before. Do we need to go this far? We do know who we are. Can we make this even better? Somewhere close about. Ooh, let's find out. Felt this way. People change, but it feels like we stay the same. Every time you look at me, I'm heating up at least a third degree. Do we need to go this far? We do know who we are. Can we make this even better? Somewhere close about. Ooh, let's find out. Everything will clear in time. Everything will clear in time. I thought I'd let you know. Do we need to go this far? We do know who we are. Can we make this even better? Somewhere close about. Ooh, let's find out. Ooh, let's find out.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. Give it time, things will settle. Just a face till it's better, yeah. Heard it all before.